You can always send feedback through the help and feedback section.
I'm trying to send you feedback now. What's going on? What is going on? What is going on, guys? What is going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today I'm bringing you guys a review on the Amazon Echo Dot. And I really love this product because
Oregon's capital city is Salem, Oregon.
Sorry, she does that sometimes, but I really love this product because it's just so smart and it's so useful to have in your home because you can ask her to do some things for you, you can ask her questions. All around, it's a great device to have in your home. You can ask, Alexa, what's the weather today?
Currently, in Austin, Texas, it's 76 degrees Fahrenheit with showers and mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect thunderstorms.
Alexa, no, I don't live in Austin. Okay, you know, she's not always the smartest, so it's okay. She's still learning. She's been out for a couple years. I have faith in Amazon for them to correct these little mistakes, and it's a really good product. It just can mess up a couple times. Don't worry about it. But it's great for things like smart home integration. You can have her turn on your smart home products like your lights. You can have her lock your door. Anything like that. It has the ability to do those things for you. For example, Alexa, turn on the lights.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named Lights.
You know, and that not every time will she get it right, but you know, maybe a couple times here and there. Like, Alexa, can you lock my door? She just ignored me. Alexa, can you lock my door? Well, she ignored me, but we'll move on. Maybe she'll, you know, we'll try it again later. But she's good for answering questions, like anything simple from Alexa, what's 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
See? Or, Alexa, what's 7 times 8?
7 multiplied by 8 equals 40.
Okay. Alexa, what's 376 times 452?
376 multiplied by 452 equals something.
Okay, maybe math isn't her strong suit, but I promise you guys, it's a good device, alright? Just don't worry about it. You know, sometimes she's a little slow too. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, guys. It's a good device. Alexa, what's wrong with you?
I can help you with specific questions, like, how do I connect Bluetooth? To learn more about what I can do, take a look at the Things to Try section in the Alexa app.
Yeah, okay. You know what, that's just great. Yeah, Alexa, I thought you were smart. That's it. I'm done.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named my door.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is all a joke. She's actually pretty smart, but I just wanted to go over that she messes up a lot. And it can be frustrating sometimes, but I really do like the Echo Dot. I do want to try out things like the Google Home and even the HomePod, but those things can get a little expensive. So maybe in a little bit, when I have some more money to afford those things, leave a like if you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do more videos like this, because I honestly had a fun time making this video. If you are new around here, subscribe and click the notification bell if you want to get a notification every time I post a video, which is usually on Saturdays at 2 p.m. Last week I was late, I'm sorry, I blame YouTube for it, but if you want to know more updates about videos, follow me on Twitter at JakeSimmonsYT. Link is in the description, and I think that's all for now. So Alexa, do you have anything you want to say?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Well, you'll get that a lot if you get this thing. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. Alexa, did you... Dang it. Never mind.
I didn't catch that.
I know you didn't.